So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy MLB tickets here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, I want you to go to the top here and make sure that sports is selected. Now, I have Minneapolis set as my location, but if you wanted to go ahead and change that to a place, because at this moment in time, playoff baseball is actually around the corner. How about I go ahead and pick a city that has playoff baseball? So we'll go ahead and select, I don't know, we'll select Chicago right here. So now here it says the Cubs right here. If you wanted to go ahead and watch a Cubs game, go ahead and press on the Cubs right here. You can then select your events. We'll go to this playoff one right here. Now it's going to show you guys sort of a map of the stadium, so you can go ahead and pick your seats this way. You can also go down, scroll low, and see the details. But if you wanted to go ahead and proceed with tickets right here, it'll show you a view from your seat. It'll also show you the price, all that kind of stuff. If all looks good, go ahead and press continue. Now on this page right here, you can see the breakdown of the price by pressing on Show Details. You can also select your payment method. So I have Apple Pay selected, but there's PayPal, Affirm, as well as a debit or a credit card. If all looks good, go to the bottom, press on Buy, and proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy MLB tickets here on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.